Here's a dessert that comes together really quick. I take this apple pie filling and I'm going to also use this sugar cookie mix, and I'm going to put them together with a little bit of butter and wait till you see the way this comes out. You could also use sugar-free apple filling, which would cut down on the calories, but either way it's going to be delicious. So I hope you'll join me while I put this together. Here I am going to go ahead and get this started. I'm going to use these tins. I'm not sure if I want to use just one or use two. I'm going to grab them both and we'll see how this goes. I haven't made it in this container before and I just want to see how it fills it up. So I'm going to open the cans. We're going to get these filled. I've just washed the tins, so they are ready to go. I really like when I can find a dessert that is something quick you can do, especially when you're trying to make a full meal for all the people. And you need something quick, something you can throw together fast. And this is perfect for like a potluck or just for on a Sunday afternoon. One can filled that up just perfect. So now I'm going to take that cookie mix and I'm going to sprinkle it on the top. And then you just want to sprinkle it all over. I tried to get it really good where you cover up all of the apple filling the best you can. That looks about right. What's nice about this is I can save the rest of that for another time. And then just spread that out. And then I just want to add some butter to the top of it. And that is perfect. I am not going to cover this and I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees and just kind of watch it. It takes about 25 minutes depending on your oven for how long you'll need to cook it. But you can look, you'll see the cookie dough starting to brown on the top. And here's a picture of what that looked like as it was browning. This would be absolutely perfect to put over some ice cream, or just eat it plain, just like this. It is delicious warm. This is so delicious. I hope you give this one a try, and at the end of this video I'm going to put up a couple of my other videos if you'd like to click on them. And I want to thank you so much for watching.